was reading Time magazine a few weeks back, and there was a specific article on Wi-Fi. And something which really struck me was they had done a global survey of people's use of Wi-Fi, and the point that really stuck out in my mind was 62% of the people responding across the globe, and I mean it was an extensive survey, take their mobile device to bed with them, or at least they put it on the bedside table, use it as an alarm or whatever. But we are now so dependent on our mobile devices that if we're taking them to our bedroom, we're clearly expecting to be able to use them in the cabin. I know you also said cockpit, and we can talk about opportunities for the cockpit. I would prefer that pilots are not using their mobile devices too much, the personal devices, and that they're maybe using electronic flight bags and whatever. So I think, I mean, in summary, what we see and what we're expecting with the growth in connectivity is that people's reliance and expectation of being able to connect wherever they are is also going to be facilitated by the cost-effective nature of the service inside the cabin.
At the Olympics, Summer Olympics, a few years ago, and then of course recently we just had the Summer Olympics in London. The increase in mobile data usage was 20 times greater in London than it was in Beijing. That is a mobile data explosion. And so what's clear is it's all become an integrated part of our life. It's become an integrated part of our work life. And I would challenge anyone to take an executive and remove his iPad phone and computer for 14 hours. And you're going to have one grumpy person on your list at that point. So imagine taking him away for 14 hours. Well, why would you do that when you're on a 6 or 8 hour aircraft flight? It doesn't make sense. So connectivity is today integrated into our lifestyles, and therefore it's time to take that ground-based capability and bring it into the cockpit and bring it into the cabin so that we can continue to work in a productive manner.